Hi, Amazon sellers. PPC costs are rising, and manual campaign management is getting harder. Even if you spend hours adjusting bids, researching keywords, and monitoring competitors, your ICOs may not improve. There is a structural reason for that. Advertising on Amazon is more expensive than ever. In 2025, the average cost per click is $1.04, and in competitive categories like supplements or electronics, it can exceed $2 per click. The main challenge isn't just cost at scale. Most sellers can realistically manage 10 to 15 keywords per campaign, maybe 50 or 60 per ad group. But most products have thousands of relevant keywords, including long-tail variations and competitor terms. Manual management can only cover a small fraction of that. So many opportunities go unclaimed. DeepBI solves this problem. It's an AI system designed to manage Amazon advertising at a scale humans can't match. It identifies high-converting keywords and actions that manual research often misses. It optimizes traffic through multiple layers of filtering for relevance, cost, competition, and lifetime value, while also boosting organic traffic. It even places low-cost bids on long-tail keywords that would otherwise be ignored, generating additional revenue from minimal budget allocation. But now, you might be wondering, will the AI overspend my budget? This is a common concern. The answer is no. DeepBI's AI exploration stays within your set ICOs threshold. You don't need to worry about poor advertising ROI. The system is designed to deliver results that are better than your original campaign's ICOs and TACOs. It won't run wild with your budget. Once the system completes its 10 to 45-day learning phase, it consistently outperforms manual management. Sellers using DeepBI have seen sales growth ranging from 30% to over 900%, depending on campaign maturity and category. At the same time, it reduces ICOs and TACOs while eliminating the need for continuous manual intervention. And here is the key. Given proper learning time, DeepBI's optimization results will always be better than your original advertising plan's ICOs and TACOs. DeepBI operates continuously, making over 250,000 optimization decisions per store per marketplace every day, with penny-level bid precision. It adjusts constantly according to inventory levels to maximize conversion rates and optimize competitor bids, unlike manual management, which can only handle a few adjustments per day. AI works non-stop to ensure every dollar is allocated efficiently. It also includes engines for full campaign management, decrease in ICOs and TACOs, listing optimization, and smart traffic expansion, all working together to improve performance and discover new opportunities. Instead of patching old campaigns, DeepBI builds new campaigns with optimal architecture. This avoids legacy inefficiencies and gives a clear comparison against your existing campaigns without any risk. DeepBI is especially valuable for small to medium-sized businesses, new sellers, multi-category sellers, and even established sellers looking for growth opportunities. It's continuous, AI-driven campaign management that saves time, improves efficiency, and helps scale your business. DeepBI is live, and full access is available now. You can get your first month for just $15, so take advantage of this discount while it lasts. If you find this helpful, subscribe for more research-based strategies on Amazon advertising. Thank you for watching.